Hey there! Have you ever encountered the problem of needing to extract information from PDF file, but not being able to edit it? This common problem can be quite frustrating, especially when you need to work with the content of the PDF in a different format. Well, today we're going to talk about this specific problem and how you can easily solve it. So let's dive in. Now, let's talk about the solution to the problem we just mentioned. The solution lies in using optical character recognition, OCR, technology. OCR is a technology that recognizes text within images, such as scanned documents or PDF files, and converts it into an editable format. By using an OCR tool, you can extract the text from PDF file and save it in a format like Word or plain text, making it easier to work with the content. In summary, if you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to extract text from a PDF file but can't edit it, the solution is to use optical character recognition, OCR, technology. By leveraging OCR technology, you can easily convert the text in the PDF into an editable format, allowing you to work with the content more efficiently. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments if you've ever used OCR technology before. Remember, OCR is the key to unlocking the text trapped in your PDF files.